The third product on this list is the National Tree Company Douglas Fir. The downswept Douglas Fir combines lifelike beauty with convenience, creating a captivating holiday ambiance through its feel real design. This tree, crafted with hundreds of individually shaped branch tips, authentically replicates the look and texture of a real Douglas fir. It offers abundant space for decorating with ornaments, enhancing its visual appeal. This tree's standout feature is its branches, molded from actual tree branches, delivering an unparalleled realistic feel without any artificial appearance. Unlike the Best Choice Products Classic Spruce Tree and the Go Plus Snow Flocked Christmas Tree, the downswept Douglas fir boasts dual-color LED bulbs. These bulbs seamlessly transition between white and multicolored lights, ensuring a vibrant and memorable Christmas experience. The tree features a convenient switch controlling 10 different light functions, including twinkling, flashing, and fading in both color settings. This versatility allows for a dazzling, customizable display. Easy to set up, the tree can be assembled by just one person. Disassembly for storage after the holiday season is just as simple. Durability is assured, thanks to its sturdy construction ensuring years of use. Additionally, the hypoallergenic and fire-resistant needles offer a safe and worry-free festive environment. Its pros are: the ability to switch between white and multicolor lights offers versatile decorating options. Its pre-attached hinged branches make assembly a breeze, saving you valuable time. And the product boasts a 5-year warranty and an additional 2-year warranty specifically for the lights. However, its cons are it is rather lightweight, potentially affecting stability, and the needles are prickly. The National Tree Company Douglas fir is recommended for anyone who seeks the perfect blend of authenticity, convenience, and versatile lighting options.